how to add rebar in the column in the Revit. So how you add structural reinforcements to your concrete column, and basically how to reinforce your column with some steel rebar. And I am going to be showing you on two examples, a rectangular column as well as the circular column, because it's bit different method of adding reinforcement to these different type of column. And before it started, I just like to ask you to like this tutorial. Okay, let's start. Here I am in Revit. For this project I am going to be using this structural template. Click here and okay. After coming to this interference, you just go in first level, go in structure tab, then go to column, you will see concrete rectangular column. Click here, you will see concrete rectangular column, use universal column, but we want to use square column and circular column, and got some steel color here, got some steel column also. So for that we have to go in load family, select your path, library, go in English, you will see UK, you will see here structural column, go in concrete, you will see here concrete square and concrete round. Just select the both, open it, now you will see here concrete round column there and concrete square is there. So first we take concrete square, select here depth, make it height, second level, and place the column here. Let's choose now circular. Okay, once you got this column, let's change its scale, make it 25. Okay, now it's okay. When you adding rebar, you find just make it fine. So because in coarse and medium it doesn't show the rebar. Okay, anyway, just make it fine. First what we need to do is, when we need to set the rebar cover, click on the cover first. Here you will see cover, just click on the cover, you will see green line appears inside the column. This is called cover. You can see here green line is showing, it's called cover. If select one of these column, the cover, here you will see different type of rebar. After if you select here, you will see here different type of rebar. Okay, you can see here rebar cover setting, different type of rebar. This rebar cover is offset between point of outside of column and the final line where you reinforcement or rebar can be appear. You need this to protect from corrosion or fire resistance. Okay, after placing the cover, it's finally time to place rebar on the column. To do that, go to the rebar. Here you will see rebar. Click here. OK. Press OK. And you will get this menu over here. Okay. Suppose if you did not get this menu for some reason, then you just click on this three dot. The menu will be appear. Okay. Then you have to choose the rebar for this column. So we select the square rebar. Suppose we take this one. It's look nice. Now zoom the column so you can place the rebar. First we have to make it parallel to the work plane, current work plane. It's make it here. Now you will see, place it, go in 3D. Here you can see rebar down of the column. So make it fine so you can visible clearly. Select the rebar and add some setting. So change the layout of this rebar from single to, go here, change the layout from single to maximum spacing, make it 300 mm. Okay, now you see rebar placed inside the column. But we need some rebar running lengthwise. For that, go to the first level. Again select the rebar, go to top of this menu, select this one, make it perpendicular and place the rebar here and here. Okay, now select both of this rebar and make its mirror. Okay, now you will see in 3D, you can see rebar has been placed lengthwise, running lengthwise. So select this rebar and make it 16 mm. Okay, and select this one and make it 10 mm. You basically change this size of the bar later on also, no issue. Now go for the circular column. You can see here rectangular square column. Now go for the circular column, go in first level, just zoom it, go in the rebar, Here you will see rebar. Select the rebar. Place the circular rebar. Select here circular rebar. This one MT3 and make it parallel to the work plane. Just place it. Go in 3D. You can see same. Select the rebar. Circular rebar. Just select this rebar. Go in property panel. You will see here shape. Click here and make it SP. You will see here SP. Click here. You will see spiral rebar running lengthwise. Then you select edit. Click on this rebar and go in property panel. You will see here pitch. Make it 300 mm. Okay, now change this bar to 13 mm to 10 mm. Okay, and then you go in first level and add some rebar running lengthwise. Okay, for that we have to click on the rebar and go on the top of the rebar. You will see here M00. Select here, make it perpendicular and place the rebar here. Okay, now select it. Let's go in first. You can see here, go in 3D. You will see rebar. Let's go in first level. Select this rebar and make it to 16 mm, from 13 mm to 16 mm. Okay, now you select this rebar, click on array. Here you will see radial. Click on the radial number, give number 8, make it last. Center of the rotation place, click here and make it middle of this circle. Okay, and now for angle. What you need to do, you just divide 360, because whole angle is 360. Divide by 8. Number of running bar we need is 8. So 360 divided by 8, so you will get 45. So 360 minus 45 you will do, and you will get 135. 315. So place 315 here and just enter. You will see the rebar has been placed in this circular manner. Okay, go in 3D. What we get, you can see here, proper rebar has been placed in this circular column. So got rebar structure reinforcement column over here. Okay, I hope I have showing you something new in this Revit tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.